you need to get? I'm gonna get Ground's medicine. Get Ground's medicine. Lizzie's checking out right now. You trying to replace the light bulb? Yeah. I'll just do it.
There's 2 light bulbs on each side.
Oh, fuck.
Can you hear me?
I don't even feel it. Oh, down water.
Right there.
Oh, I dropped it. There we go. And we have light on one side. Gotta replace this little butt. I have to just take this off. Perfect. What the hell? Now this light went out. I don't understand. This one went out first, and now this one's out.
Gio, what happened to you? What happened to you?
What happened to me? So dirty.
I know, I have no idea. Oh my gosh, I think it was outside in the rain.
Lizzie's changing the other light bulb now. It's so weird they both flew out today.
I thought that since there's 2 light bulbs, it's so weird.
Dude, maybe there's something wrong. Like, I don't. There we go. Now we have more light.
Some fans sent these dental care sticks for the dog. So we give him one because I'm going to talk about, come here, you want? You want it? Okay. I gave him a lighter one. He went running over here and he just dropped it. And we went to the bear.
Gio's got his toys again. It looks like he was gonna go home, but I don't think he is. Wait. Wait. Bro, it looks like he's about to go home. Did it really? So we still humping? That didn't change anything, did it? Mom, he's still humping. It's like a whole nother hour and a half later, it's still drizzling. It hasn't really rained at all today. It's just kind of been drizzling all the time. But me and Lizzie are gonna head out right now and go over to the P.O. box. He's still inside getting her shoes put on. But let's go over there and see what we got for today. Let's see what we got. What's up, man? Is that us for today? Awesome. Didn't get too much today, which is perfect because I brought my car. I couldn't take my mom's car. They have to go out. But we can't fit this box in there, so Lizzie's gonna hold it. There was another one? Alright, cool. There you go. You got it, girl? She's trapped. There you go. She's trapped. She said she's getting car sick because she can't see out the front. If you look at the side, it might help. That's completely blocked. Me and Lizzie are really hungry, and we're actually not going to be going to the gym until a little bit later today because my parents are busy right now. My dad can't go at the same time. So we just pushed it back a couple hours. We're going to try and grab food at this like little food mart place right here. It's on the way home. Can you get out? Are you trying to like squeeze out of there? Just push one box over.
I'm trying.